Suitcase. It's getting a little harder to put the words together in my brain. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Hey. I'm definitely wavy. Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel and welcome to today's video. Today I'm going to be attempting to learn Japanese while getting drunk. I have been learning Japanese on Duolingo for about a couple of months now, and I have a wonderful 140 something day streak. I've started recognizing words in anime and I swear to you, it blows my fucking mind. So today I want to challenge myself and I want to have a little bit of fun, and I want to see what's gonna happen if I attempt to do a Duolingo lesson while sipping on a little adult beverage. So let me explain how the Duolingo lessons work, and let me also explain the rules of this game I'm going to play. Each of the language courses have sections, and the Japanese course is made out of 6 sections, and I am currently in the second section, which is called Explorer. Each section is made out of units, and all the units are made out of their different little classes. I am currently in unit 8 right now, just right at the beginning of unit 8. The rules of this game are simple. Every time I get an answer right, I take a sip of a drink. I'm doing pretty well and I hardly make mistakes. So if I drink when I make mistakes, it's not gonna make this video fun. That's not what you're here for. I'm assuming I'm gonna get drunker and I'm gonna get a little bit sloppy, and then I'm gonna start making mistakes. I only have 5 hearts, and once I'm out of those hearts, they're gone. It takes a while for them to come back. So I have to make sure I don't fuck up, but I'm also gonna be getting like sloppier and sloppier. The drink for tonight is this beautiful grapefruit gin and tonic, and it is from the Wild Bar. Look at that packaging. I really like that packaging. And also they have a sticker and it says, "Let's get ready to stumble." I should take a sip just to start off, and also to gauge how strong this drink is, you know what I mean? Let me just see what I'm dealing with. It was at this moment I knew I fucked up. That drink is really strong. Like, it's strong that I can taste the alcohol. Wow, tonight's gonna be an interesting night. All right, so we're gonna be ordering pastries. That's the first lesson for this. Oishii mono. What is mono? Mono is stuff. Oishii mono. Oishii means tasty. So tasty stuff. I got that right, so I take a sip. How do you say stuff? Mono.
Mono.
Got that right. Atarashi keiki ya. I think that means new cake shop.
Keiki.
Yeah, keiki. Yeah, keiki is cake and ya is shop. So atarashi also means new. So a new cake shop. I got it right. I'm doing very well.
Keiki ya.
And I'm also gonna take a sip of another sip because I got this right. This is a how does Yella get drunk in less than 5 minutes?
Keiki wa suki desu ka?
Keiki wa suki desu ka? Do you like cake?
Ice coffee wa suki desu ka?
Do you like iced coffee? So
Ice coffee wa suki desu ka?
Wa suki desu ka? Yeah. Do you like iced coffee? Yeah, I got that.
Dessert wa suki desu ka?
Dessert wa suki desu ka? I'm gonna get this right. In anime, if you ever see them saying "Suki desu," you know, when they're confessing with all their hearts, it means I like you. Ka means makes it like a question. So dessert wa suki desu ka means do you like dessert? I got that right. I got that right. Hey, doko ni ikimashou ka? Imashou ka this is new. Doko ni ikimashou ka means where should we go? Yes, that's right.
Shou, cafe, ni, ikimashou ka.
That means we should go to the cafe today. Oh, should we go to a cafe today? I mean, I got it right, but like I didn't translate it correctly. Keiki ya ni ikimashou ka? Should we go to the cake shop? Okay.
Keiki ga daisuki desu. Daisuki desu.
Oh, gagaisuki. Okay, I'm finally learning. I love. Okay. I love cake. Amai mono wa suki desu ka? Amai is a new word.
Amai.
It means sweet. Do you like sweet stuff? I've gotten everything right so far. If I had, flipped it and been like, okay, for everyone I get wrong, I drink, this would have just been boring. So now we're gonna be matching pairs, and I really like this one because it kind of tests my vocabulary. So stuff is mono. Garden is Niwa.
には
Sweet is amai.
Amai.
Suitcase is suitcase.
スーツケース
Suitcase. Who is Dare?
誰
Because I'm not gonna take 5 sips for this, I'm just gonna take 1 big sip. Also for half. So okay, it's starting.
そのケーキは甘いですか
Is that cake sweet? Got it. Cake shop is cake, yeah?
ケーキや
Chikai.
近い
Suitcase is suitcase. News is news.
ニュース
T-shirt is t-shirt.
T シャツ
It's really interesting learning Japanese and seeing how many Japanese words are just English words with a Japanese accent. T-shirt is t-shirt. Suitcase is suitcase. News is news.
温かいお茶が大好きです
I love warm green tea.
甘いものが大好きです
I love sweet stuff. Perfect lesson. 142 days. Part of this game should be if I finish a perfect level, complete all the answers are correct, I get a good sip of water. So that's what I'm going to be doing. Ordering pastry.
小さいお菓子屋
A small pastry shop. Got that. I'm also gonna take another sip because I got this one. Chisa okashi shani ikimashoka. Chisa okashiya ni ikimashoka. Should we go to the small pastry shop? Got it.
高いチーズケーキ
I can say that the drinking has started to affect the learning. It's getting a little harder to put the words together in my brain. Expensive cheesecake. Like all the expensive little cafes in Lagos that are charging almost 5,000 naira for 6,000 naira for a slice of cheesecake. So if I go to an expensive cafe and I see expensive cheesecake, I'm like, Takai cheesecake! Cheesecake!
チーズケーキ
Cheesecake. Yeah, I got 2 of them right. So bottoms up, bottoms up. Hey, what should we go? Where should we? It's what? So what should we buy? Hey, what should we buy? We should buy bags. We should buy Fendi, Prada. Yeah. Should we buy coffee? Got that right. Takai desato okaimashoka. Should we buy an expensive dessert? Do it. I know cafe de tabemasho should mean we should eat at that cafe over there. Sono keki wa kawaii desu ne. That cake is cute, isn't it? I'm definitely wavy. Oh my god, I can't stop laughing. Sono cheesecake wa ikura desu ka? So that means that
チーズケーキはいくらですか
How much is that cheesecake? If I ever go to a pastry shop in Japan, I know exactly what to say when I see the cheesecake. Sono cheesecake wa ikura desu ka? Betunam.
ベトナム
Lively is nigiyaka.
にぎやか
Convenience is benri.
便利
Lunch is hiru gohan.
昼ご飯
Cheesecake is cheesecake.
チーズケーキ
Ano keki ya ni ikimashou. Should go to that cake shop over there. Are the questions too easy, or am I just that good at Japanese even though I'm a little tipsy?
テニス
Flower is hana.
花
Over there is asoko.
あそこ
Pastry shop is okashiya.
お菓子屋
Lively is nigiyaka.
にぎやか
Sono kocha or nomimasho. What is kocha? Oh, we should drink that. We should drink that black tea? That makes no sense. Who says that? Okay, I mean, I guess if you're trying to pick. Sono desato wa honto ni kawaii desu ne. That dessert is really cute, isn't it? Kawaii means cute. But like the Japanese don't use the word cute the way like I would say Westerners and even like Africans use cute. To them, cute is beauty. To them, being called cute, I'm assuming, but the way I see it is like being called cute is like the height of it. Like, they taught us cute before beautiful. I got that right. I got that right. Which means I get drunker and drink more. I know Okashiya why Yume this. So Yume means famous. That pastry shop over there is famous. Hey, another perfect lesson. Hey, hey, hey. But this one took longer. It took 9 minutes to do. Usually doing this lessons take like about 5 minutes, but because I'm filming it, and also because I'm getting like, loosey goosey. So this chaotic game ends when either three things happen. I reach the end of this level, I run out of hearts, so that means I make 5 mistakes, or I finish this drink. I can confidently say that I think I'm gonna start making some mistakes. Like, I'm a little inebriated. Yeah. Hitotsu. Got that right.
一つ山口
Yamaguchi.
田中
Tanaka.
金曜日
Kinyobi.
一つ
Okay.
一つ
Hitotsu. Another right one. Hitotsu is 1. That makes no sense. Ichi is 1. Ichi is 1. Or maybe Ichi is for numbers and counting, and then this is for people. Cha hitotsu kudasai. 1 green tea, please. I watch fireworks with friends. Hanabi.
友達とを見ます。
I think I'm gonna get this wrong. I watch fireworks with friends. I know fireworks is hanabi. Okay, let me just... My first error for tonight. At least I don't get to drink. At least no drinking.
アイスコーヒーをください
One iced coffee, please. This is how I'm gonna order when I go to Japanese cafe. Iced coffee ho itotsu kudasai. Midori.
緑
Oh, midori, green.
緑
Oh, I have to sip for the answers I got right.
あの緑のケーキはいくらですか
How much is that green cake over there? A part of me actually wants to start getting shit wrong.
かわいいカップケーキ
Kawaii cupcake. Kawaii cupcake. A cute cupcake. Sono cupcake mo kudasai. That's cupcake too, please. Hey! Shit is about to go down tonight. Sono matcha no panno. That matcha bread too, please. Got that right.
その抹茶のカップケーキもください
Sono matcha
カップケーキのください
Woof! I got it wrong. I got it wrong. We're down 2. We're down 2. It's happening. Okay, I need to walk a little bit of it off. Okay, where are we? That green cupcake over there is very cute. Let's go. Let's go. I know Midori no Okashi wa nan desu ka? What green snack is over there? Oof! I got 3 wrong in one lesson. I don't think I've ever gotten up to 3 wrong in one lesson like this. Sono matcha no pan wa oishi desu ka? Is that matcha bread tasty? Sono matcha no cupcake wa takai desu. That matcha cupcake is expensive. And matcha cupcake sounds expensive, which, to be honest, I'm not really sure what exactly matcha is. So we're about to do some corrections. It's tomodachi to hanabi.
を見ます。
I got that right.
その抹茶のカップケーキもください
Got that right.
あの緑のお菓子は何ですか
What is that green snack over there? Hey, this took 11 minutes and I made 3 mistakes. They're asking me to refill my hearts, and nope, I'm not gonna do that. No thank you. Because I got 3 of them wrong, I'm not drinking any water. Alright, lesson 4 of 6. Let's go. Let's see what will happen. They're always asking me to refill my hearts. They don't know that I kind of want the hearts to end. Mitsu.
2つ3つ京都
Oop. I spaced out and I tapped on the wrong thing.
1つ休み
Yasumi.
3つ 3つ
Me too. Alright, I haven't drunk in a bit. I'm going to drink. I have one heart left. Futatsu. Okay, I'm good.
3つ
Mitsu.
1つ2つ買い物田中
Tanaka.
2つ
Futatsu.
2つ
Got that. Mitsu.
お茶を3つください
3 green tea, please. I'm just gonna hold this and continue drinking it because it seems like I'm getting this stuff right again. Wow, 10 in a row. With how drunk I am? Wow. My mind.
いちご
Ichigo means strawberry. I don't know why I find that very cute.
そのいちごのパンはどうですか
Sono ichigo no pan wa do desu ka? How about that strawberry bread?
2つ
Futatsu means 2.
コーヒーを2つください
2 coffees, please. I actually want to get something wrong. Cookie.
クッキ
How about that cookie over there? Yeah, cookie wa do desu ka? Dono teburu. Teburu. Which table is it? I got everything right. I got everything right. More water. Actually have 2 more lessons in this. 1 more heart. Still a little bit of this left. Let's just do this. Let's just do this.
2つ4つ1つ買います3つ4つ4つ クッキーを4つください
ーチョコレート
Chocolate.
いちごを4つください
かわいいドーナツドーナツ
Donuts mo kaimashou. Oh, we should buy donuts too. Cupcake
も
mo.
買いましょうか
Fuck. I missed it. Oh, I made a mistake. I tapped on Kaimashoka instead of Kaimasho. I'm done. That's it. Yeah, that's it. I've lost all the hearts. I'm done for the night. I'm gonna go pour myself a nice cup of water. I'm done. I'm very done. Thank you so much for watching this video and thank you so much for being here. I really appreciate it. Please do not forget to translate the subscribe button so that you can always see this beautiful face on YouTube. Also, do not forget to write down the notification bell so that you get notification whenever I upload a new video. Do not forget to translate the like button so that you do not forget to translate the like button so that YouTube knows you like this video and also will recommend this video to other people as well. Do not forget to be awesome. I really hope you enjoyed this video. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.